message first. And now you're doing that with her. Ashley and I'm gonna show this to everybody in school, guys. I'm gonna show this to everybody. I think I didn't get that. I think I didn't get that. Look at this, guys.
Cuts.
Hey. My brother's snoring for advice.